right.
Hey, look, this is also from this season from Santa.
Wow. Okay.
Santa. Huh. Look, this is from Santa.
Do you want to open it? Yeah. Looks like it's to you.
Yeah. We haven't seen this one. Let's see what it is. Oh, it's another Skylander! We have so many Skylanders! We can be so many Skylanders!
Wow.
Yeah, I hope it's lots of Skylanders there.
That's awesome.
Oh, this one. So, this from Santa. He gave me another one that I wanted. He gave me one by himself. He gave me Liquid Setback.
Awesome.
Now we have two Liquids. Because, I'm not going to tell you this.
Oh.
It's a surprise.
Oh, a surprise.
The surprise is, what I was going to say. It's going to be a surprise.
Ah. Ooh.
But Santa gave me two ones that I wanted.
Wow.
Ooh, he gave me Camel and Liquid Jetpack.